Mustang Coupe.
All right, so what time is it, Rob?
It is 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, or we got an hour before the doors open up.
Yep.
So go ahead. Rob wants to point out a problem with a Porsche. This is what he said.
This
I don't
Porsche over
necessarily agree with him.
has one major flaw. And
Wait,
has,
wait, let's show it. Let him guess. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, what's wrong with this Porsche, guys?
I mean, it's beautiful. It's got big brakes.
And you see the car. I haven't found anything wrong with it yet,
has
but
the turbo.
Rob's got a problem with it. Go ahead, Rob. Tell me your problem.
Too many doors.
Too many doors.
Too many.
I don't know. If you got kids and you have to have a Porsche, this is a cool car. Because we all know the back seat is important. I'll probably forget to edit that out, so guys, so when you see me repeat it, don't hold it against me. Well, now that I said it, I'm obviously leaving it in. Or we'd have to edit out all this stuff, see what I mean?
Half of it would be gone.
Alright. Alright. They're getting warmed up. They're getting ready. They are polishing the beauties. And we're going to be here for it.
Would you like to do a ride along one day? And
A ride along?
yeah.
You know I would. I still haven't forgotten riding around with a professional race car driver in a Shelby 500. I think it was in Scottsdale. I think it was in Scottsdale, Arizona at Barrett Jackson, I believe. And he raced me around. It was cool. I even got a second ride.
Yeah, Amy just asked me, do you need anything else? Like, she's like, all right, see you guys later. And I'm like, I always need something else, right? Rob, I was just telling Rob that it's been 3.5 years and I have 2 videos up. I've done 2 videos in the past 3.5 years. See how much I'm growing? See, I'm mellowing out. This is gonna be a lot of parts, guys. There's gonna be a bunch of 3-minute videos. Get prepared. You're for the adventure with us. I hope you stick with all the videos. I'll set up a playlist so you can just click one button and enjoy the Philadelphia Auto Show!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Philadelphia Auto Show, see?
2019.
We take the frustration out of